All right, we are on day 2 of the medieval wall build. We have Jason and Tara from White Rock Homestead helping us. And then our friends Eric and Jeni are coming down from Wisconsin. They'll be here later this afternoon. And I don't think this is going to take that long, but we have some other projects to do as well. So here we go. Time lapse away.
Hello.
Good to see you.
Nice to see you too.
I don't care if you're sick.
He is sick.
Bring stuff. Wander somewhere. Oh fuck. Woo. Something under it.
So what did your mom make?
It's an egg basket. That's cute.
Is that like paracord or what is that? A survival egg basket.
That's cute. Yeah. There's a lot. I feel like I gotta help.
Well, we interrupt this wall build to go back to Link's room here. We identified where the leak was coming from. And yeah, I think we got it figured out. So right above the door, right where the seam is here, there's a little bit of evidence of leaking on those 2 spots. So we thought it was coming up from the side here where the rain was driving in. Turns out we had just some foam that was in the wrong spot, and it was compromised by some unflexible caulk, and it was seeping back under the foam for the main edge. So got that taken care of, couldn't get it to leak. We're gonna wait for a few rainstorms before we button up the rest of the roof and then proceed with the lean-to build. It's been like 8 months trying to figure all this out. So it's been delayed pretty hardcore, but progress will continue. So here's a look at the new to us meat slicer. We needed something a little bit bigger to do the sides of bacon and other things. So John and Sarah, one of our biggest supporters on the channel, graciously donated this meat slicer. So we will clean it up and put it to good use. Yeah, it's that time of year again. Time to start burning out the stove. Get the this is the initial burn for the year before we clean it and clean out the pipe. But wanted to get everything loosened up and need to do an initial burn for that. Yeah, be quiet. You wreck all my videos. Don't poop in there. Darn it, rooster. Mr. Loudmouth. Whenever I'm talking, he has to talk. Screws with all the videos. I'm not feeding you. So we have our chaos garden. We kind of The Chaos Garden, we started burning in the middle of it as we pull the rest of the fence line and get it ready for the rest of the fence. We do have the welder now, and we will be putting up the high line with rebar. Pardon me while I strangle that rooster. So yeah, we're gonna finish up that line, and we'll get the entire fence up, and then hopefully we can put in a gate or two, and then we can let the chickens free range or just be taken away by the hawks. Not real sure. That might be a little risky, but we're coming into the first real cold. We're going to be in the 30s. So all of the grapevines are going to go dormant. Trees should start to really lose their leaves. The orchard will be, tucked away nice. Yeah, we're coming to the end of peppers. Watermelons are all done now. And we got to pull the onions, the rest of the potatoes, and get garlic into the ground. And then put up our low tunnels and start building the high tunnels. So that's only possible with subscribers like you. So thank you very much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. We couldn't do this without you. So thank you very much for those of you who have supported us, bought the memberships, bought the swag, and just subscribe and like and comment on our videos. That makes a world of difference on YouTube, on X, on Rumble, on Facebook, Instagram, and of course, barnevilla.com. Okie dokie, we have the wall pretty much all the way through. Oh. Now we gotta put the beams up, make some fake cobblestone underneath, put together a kick butt door. Tara's got some good ideas for that.
I do. I'm all about the medieval. I'm all for it. I think it's rocking. It's gonna look cool.
All right, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. So where are we?
Under a rock. And over a rock.
Blanchard
Between a rock
Springs.
and a hard place.
Blanchard Springs.
Come to the water where you will find peace. Take a step into the river. Get down on your
Don't worry, I'm
knees.
recording, so if you spill it, we got
Come to the mountain while taking in the view. You will find that life is greater than you knew. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight, I will fight. Oh, you're broken and you're shattered at the point of no return. You pick up the pieces and you let the bridges burn. So come to the water, you're sailing with the breeze. Take a step into the river.